When it comes to video editing, the right laptop can make all the difference in your creative process. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding content creator, having a powerful machine that can handle intensive tasks is essential. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best laptops for video editing, focusing on key features such as processing power, graphics capability, display quality, and storage options. By understanding what to look for, you can choose a laptop that not only meets your editing needs but enhances your workflow. Let's dive in and discover the top options on the market today. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. MacBook Air M2, our pick for best budget laptop for video editing. If you're a budding content creator on a budget, the MacBook Air M2 offers an enticing opportunity to elevate your craft without straining your finances. Equipped with the powerful M2 chip, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, this laptop strikes a commendable balance between performance and affordability. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for creators on the move, allowing you to easily tackle basic editing tasks, whether you're at a cafe or on a train. The M2 chip enhances your workflow, providing fast rendering times that are crucial for efficient project completion. Plus, with all-day battery life, you can work uninterrupted, empowering you to explore your creativity without the worry of running out of power. While the newer M3 Air has entered the market, the discounts available on the M2 model make it a more budget-friendly option. This affordability doesn't mean you're sacrificing quality. The MacBook Air M2 has the capabilities to handle various media projects, making it an ideal entry-level device for anyone serious about content creation. By choosing the MacBook Air M2, you invest in a reliable ally that grows alongside your creative journey. Its blend of power, portability, and price makes it a wise choice for those looking to produce high-quality work while keeping costs manageable. Don't miss out on this chance to enhance your content creation skills with a device designed to support your evolution as a creator. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, our pick for best laptop for video editing with a pull-forward screen. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 elevates your computing experience by combining cutting-edge technology with a unique pull-forward touchscreen design that's tailor-made for creativity and productivity. This convertible 2-in-1 device functions seamlessly as both a portable laptop and a desktop replacement, adapting to your needs. Under the hood, you'll find the powerful Intel Core i7 13700H processor, ensuring that demanding tasks are handled effortlessly. With a generous 64 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, you have ample speed and storage for everything from intensive multitasking to large file handling, making this laptop ideal for both professionals and enthusiasts. The stunning 14.4-inch IPS display boasts a native resolution of 2400 by 1600, offering vibrant visuals and an engaging touch interface. With a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz, every swipe and scroll feels fluid, enhancing your overall experience whether you're working on graphics-intensive tasks or enjoying entertainment. You can rely on the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU with 8 GB of graphics memory to power your most demanding creative projects, games, or professional applications. Staying connected is easy with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. ensuring fast and reliable wireless performance. Weighing only 4.18 pounds and boasting a slim profile, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is both portable and powerful. Plus, with an impressive battery life of over 15 hours, you can work, create, or play without interruption. Embrace the future of laptops with this versatile powerhouse. Number 3. MacBook Air M1, our pick for best video editing laptop for beginners. If you're starting your journey into video editing, the MacBook Air M1 is an excellent choice, even a couple of years after its release. While it may not have the raw power of Apple's newer M2 models, its affordability sets it apart as an appealing option for beginners. In our researches, we found that its performance is remarkably close to the MacBook Pro M1, another strong contender for video editing. Apple claims the MacBook Air M1 can handle up to 4K video editing, but we pushed it further by editing 8K videos using Final Cut Pro, and the results were impressive. You'll appreciate the stunning 2560 by 1600 resolution display with True Tone technology, which adapts to your surroundings for a better viewing experience. Although it peaks at 400 nits brightness, it's sufficient for newcomers to video editing, and the 100% DCI-P3 color coverage ensures vivid and accurate colors. The MacBook Air M1 also excels in battery life and operates silently, making it perfect for extended editing sessions. While its fanless design might raise concerns about heat management during heavy use, it typically performs well under pressure. In summary, the MacBook Air M1 offers a fantastic blend of affordability, solid performance, and an exceptional display, making it an ideal entry-level choice for aspiring video editors like you. Number 2, Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED, our pick for best 16 inches laptop for video editing. The Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED is making waves in our office as the first laptop to incorporate the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 mobile graphics chip. When you combine this with the Intel 13th Gen Core i9-13900H processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a spacious 1 TB solid-state drive, you have a formidable tool designed specifically for content creators like you. This laptop not only excels in creative tasks, but also brings some impressive gaming capabilities to the table. Its stunning 16:10 4K OLED display offers exceptional clarity and vibrant colors, ensuring your creative work truly stands out. Whether you're editing videos or creating graphic designs, the visual experience is nothing short of extraordinary. You'll also appreciate the thoughtful features like a comfortable keyboard, designed for long hours of productivity, and the increasingly rare microSD card reader, providing you with added convenience. While the Aero the 16th of May not push frame rates to the extremes like some dedicated gaming laptops, it certainly shines in tasks tailored for creators. If you're in search of a reliable and powerful laptop that can keep up with your creative endeavors while offering some gaming capabilities on the side, the Aero 16 OLED deserves your attention. It's an investment that can elevate your work and play. Number 1, Apple MacBook Pro M3. Max, our pick for best laptop for video editing overall. The Apple MacBook Pro M3 Max stands out as the pinnacle of video editing laptops, offering exceptional performance and a stunning display, all wrapped in a sleek, portable aluminum chassis. If you're a video editor or creative professional, you'll appreciate how popular MacBook Pros are within the creative community. With the latest M3 models, particularly the M3 Max CPU, you can harness unparalleled power for both work and play. The 14-inch MacBook Pro M3. Max seamlessly combines speed with stunning visuals, proving itself as a formidable gaming rig and a reliable editing machine. While testing, you'll find editing 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 24 frames per second, ProRes HDR content in Final Cut Pro to be a breeze, effortless and fluid. Plus, you'll benefit from the inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack, making it the perfect companion for video content creation. Its classic Apple design is not only beautiful, but also solidly constructed, appealing from every angle. We recommend the 14-inch model for its balance of portability and power, though a 16-inch version is available if you prefer a larger screen for your projects. Keep in mind that the device does have a few downsides, such as noisy fans under heavy workloads and its premium price tag. However, like most Apple products, investing in the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 Max means investing in your creative future. If you're serious about video editing, this laptop is a game changer. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which laptop for video editing you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.